Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today we're back on the hauler project. After a good test drive with the Jeep on board, I think it's time we mount our ramps permanently to the hauler. The plan right now is to just mount these to studs and simple brackets down here on this side panel. Some big wing nuts and a way to lock them in place so they aren't as easy to be stolen. And hopefully that'll work out. It should be pretty simple. So let's get started. So I think what we're going to do is make some hangers that will go under here, be approximately 3 3/4 inches long. That'll give me enough room to slide it underneath this lip, and then a couple, maybe 1 or 2 anchor bolts that will extend through the sheet metal and just clamp this into place. I think that'll work out pretty well. that should work out halfway decently. I'll go on and probably use some 1/4 grade 8 bolts. Probably say 2 or 4, not quite sure. I'll see what I come up with there. Ended up doing 4 1/4 holes in each bracket. Just be using 1/4 grade 8 bolts, 4 on each. And I was able to get a couple of the holes marked. So I'll go on and drill these, get the brackets mounted, and drill the other 4 once they're up there. Well, 1 down, 1 to go. Got a pretty simple setup here. Here's our hanger brackets we made up. 2 of those. And then we've got these deals here. All is a 1/2 inch bolt through the backside. And just lets us run this nut down and captures it. And it pulls it in underneath the rub rail right here, so it can't go anywhere. Well, I'm quickly running out of daylight, but I've just about got the ramp mounts finished up. As you can tell, it's it's hot and miserable, so I think I'm gonna call it a night here and let this paint dry. In the next video, you'll probably see the ramps all mounted up. So anyways, we got a lot more to come, so please subscribe, and thank you for watching.